Today, we're comparing two powerful diagnostic tools from FOXWELL, the GT60 diagnostic scanner and the NT1009 Bluetooth bidirectional scan tool. If you're a DIY mechanic or a professional looking for the right scan tool, this video will help you decide which one fits your needs. Let's dive in. The GT60 is a powerful diagnostic tool that can help you unleash your vehicle's true potential. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore its features, functionalities, and why it's a must-have tool for anyone working with cars. So, let's dive right in. Before we jump into the details, let's give you a brief overview of the FOXWELL GT60. It's a handheld automotive diagnostic tool designed to assist in troubleshooting and diagnosing various vehicle systems. The GT60 provides access to a wide range of features, including reading and clearing diagnostic trouble codes, performing active tests, coding and programming, and much more. Key features and functionality. Now let's explore the key features that make the FOXWELL GT60 stand out from other diagnostic tools on the market. All system diagnostics. The GT60 offers comprehensive coverage for all major vehicle systems, including engine, transmission, ABS, seniors, air conditioning, and more. It allows you to perform deep scans and identify potential issues accurately. Advanced functions. The GT60 provides advanced functions like bidirectional control, active tests, adaptation, and service resets. This means you can actively control vehicle components and perform specific tests to pinpoint and solve complex issues. Wireless connectivity. The GT60 supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, enabling you to update the software, access online resources, and even share diagnostic results with others. User-friendly interface and operation. Now, let's talk about the user experience with the FOXWELL GT60. Intuitive interface. The GT60 features a user-friendly interface with a large color touchscreen display. The well-organized menu structure and clear icons make navigation and operation a breeze, even for beginners. Quick auto VIN identification. The tool can automatically retrieve and identify the vehicle's VIN, vehicle identification number, eliminating the need for manual input. This saves time and ensures accurate diagnostics. Real-time data display. The GT60 provides real-time data streams, allowing you to monitor critical vehicle parameters and sensor readings as you diagnose the vehicle. It helps in identifying anomalies and analyzing the vehicle's overall health. Regular software updates. FOXWELL provides regular software updates, ensuring that your GT60 is always up to date with the latest vehicle models, diagnostic functions, and bug fixes. This prolongs the lifespan of the tool and enhances its capabilities over time. Online community and resources. FOXWELL has an active online community where you can connect with fellow GT60 users, share experiences, and access valuable resources. It's a great way to stay informed and learn new diagnostic techniques. Durable and ergonomic design. The FOXWELL GT60 is built to withstand the demanding automotive environment. Its rugged design ensures durability, while the ergonomic shape provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to work for extended periods without fatigue. Multilingual support. The GT60 supports multiple languages, making it accessible to users around the world. You can switch between languages effortlessly, ensuring clear communication and its ability to perform all system diagnostics, extensive vehicle compatibility, advanced functions, wireless connectivity, and user-friendly interface make it a standout option in the market. Additionally, the regular software updates, online community, and dedicated technical support provided by FOXWELL ensure a seamless ownership experience. First things first, let's talk about what makes the FOXWELL NT1009 stand out. Right out of the box, the FOXWELL NT1009 feels like a premium tool. It comes in a sturdy carrying case, and the scanner itself is a well-built tablet with a large, responsive touchscreen. The software is intuitive and user-friendly, even for someone like me who isn't a mechanical expert. This compact and portable OBD2 scanner is equipped with Bluetooth technology, allowing you to connect it wirelessly to your smartphone or tablet. No more dealing with tangled cables. Now, let's talk features. This scanner is packed with them. It can OL level all system diagnosis, NT1009 Bluetooth diagnostic tool can get access to almost all control modules like engine or ABS or airbag or transmission or TPMs or SAS etc. for read or clear DTCs, view live data and ECU info. Perform bidirectional control, as well as perform bidirectional control to command the components to pinpoint faults, such as modulate the throttle, open or close windows, operate mirrors, injector buzz test, turn on interior and exterior lights, sound horn, test door lock, actuators, etc. Access advanced features like ECU coding and hidden function activation. FOXWELL Scanner NT1009 comes with advanced control module coding and adaptive capability to perform offline ECU coding fit for BMW E or F chassis. 30+ reset or calibration or matching or relearn functions. NT1009 automotive scanner is designed for mechanics, workshops, garages, and car owners. Comes with commonly used service functions like oil reset, ABS bleeding, throttle relearn, injector coding, TPMs reset, BMS, power balance, etc. 3 years free update worth $800 to keep the latest software version, 1 to 0+ brands covered, and 3 years free update compatible with the latest 2021-2022 car models, including cars, SUVs, minivans, light-duty trucks. Widerly covers 120+ car manufacturers from the US or Europe or Asia. Superior hardware and multifunctional tablet. The NT1009 features an Android 9.0 operating system for fast processing, 64 GB of memory for data storage, and an 8000 mAh battery for extended use. It also supports one-click sharing, sending, and printing of diagnostic reports via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and email. Here are some pros and cons about FOXWELL NT1009. Pros: extensive functionality, wide vehicle compatibility, user-friendly interface, powerful hardware, connectivity options, free updates. Cons: cost. The NT1009 is a high-end scan tool and comes with a price tag reflecting its capabilities. It might be cost-prohibitive for casual users. Learning curve. While user-friendly, the NT1009 offers advanced features that require some understanding of car diagnostics to fully utilize. In conclusion, the FOXWELL NT1009 Bluetooth bidirectional OBD2 scanner is a game-changer for anyone serious about car diagnostics. With its wireless capabilities, intuitive interface, and powerful features, it's a valuable tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. If you want to take control of your vehicle's health, the FOXWELL NT1009 is definitely worth considering. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. If you want a simple, all-in-one scanner for diagnostics and basic resets, go for the GT60. If you need advanced programming, coding, or bidirectional testing, the NT1009 is the better choice. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.